Hello everyone, I am Devanshi of Class 3A studying in Goldenbee Global School. Today I am here to talk about International Day of Peace. The International Day of Peace was celebrated on 21st September every year all over the world. This day is also known as World Peace Day. The International Day of Peace was established in 1981 by the United Nations General Assembly. The first International Day of Peace was celebrated in 1982. The purpose to celebrate this day is to create sense and awareness in the people about importance of peace. The United Nations gives a message to the whole world to respect each other because an environment of peace can only be created if people respect each other. Peace is necessary for life, for living, and for happiness. The International Day of Peace is an inspiring reminder of what we can create together. So let us work tirelessly to foster peaceful coexistence, not just for today, but for the generations to come together. We can turn the tide and create a world where peace, justice, and harmony prevail.
Goldenbee Global, Beehive of Learning.